Hello everyone, I am Alia Nicole Di Celerio from DAR 5, and today we are going to dive into a major challenge, which is the historical revisionism on social media. To me, this threat is like a virus of misinformation. It is when people intentionally twist our history to fit in a new narrative, often ignoring the evidence. On social media, where a 15-second video can go viral, lies can travel faster than the truth. If we aren't careful, we might lose the real story of who we are as Filipinos. And as Benilians, our mission is to stand up for the truth with humility and love. The first topic that I want to connect this to is our study about primary and secondary sources. From this, I learned the value of integrity. Primary sources are like diaries or eyewitness accounts that are the receipts of history. In Philippine history, we rely on these sources. Then edited social media clips, we show humility. We admit that our opinions don't matter as much as the actual evidence. By sticking to the facts, we practice honesty, ensuring that these sacrifices of our ancestors are not erased by the modern-day propaganda. Second, let us look at the historical controversies, like the site of the First Mass or the Cavite Mutiny. These events shows us that history can be complex and debated. The value I learned here is patience. We don't need to shout at people who disagree with us online. Instead, we can use internal and external criticism to analyze why a story is being told. In our history, these controversies teaches us that seeking the truth requires a calm mind and a heart that seeks unity. We shouldn't let different versions of the story divide us, and instead, we should unite in our shared goal in finding the most accurate truth. Now, what happens if revisionism wins? It weakens the Philippines. It makes us forget the lessons of the past, like the struggle of our constitution and our rights. And to fight this, we must apply our Benilian expressions. First is love. We protect our history because we love our country. Second is patience. We take the time to verify before we share. Third is humility. We listen to scholars and experts and not just influencers. And lastly is unity. We stand together to ensure that the true Philippines is one of the next generation that remembers. So to conclude, our history is our identity. Let us not let a like or a share change the truth of our journey. Let us be the generation that remembers. That's all, and thank you so much for listening.